my name is Jennifer. This is the Senior Assembly Day. And this is Sharon. Hi Sharon, how do you feel?
Sad.
Why are you sad? What's over? Yeah, that's school. Bye, school. How about you, Helen? How do you feel?
I'm so happy.
You're happy? Why?
Because I'm with you guys right now for the last time as a senior. I'm happy.
That's good. Bye, school. I used to go there in tennis. Did you guys go there to get drinks for track?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and then it tasted so good. Did you guys get Arizona? Of course, because it was only $1.
I remember. Day, but he ended up treating us to drinks.
Aww.
Slurpee. And after that, we were gonna go to the pool, but I was on my period, so I didn't want to go, and all the girls were trying to peer pressure me into putting on a tampon, and I cried.
You cried? Aww.
I'm gonna miss peer pressure.
Peer pressure. Don't worry, there'll be more of that craziness. This is where we rented movies. This is where we ran together for the first time. Sandpiper. Si, señorita.
You guys wanna just sit in the car for like 5 minutes and just like
Sure.
jam? But I'm not really into singing.
We went here
Coast 103.5.
for Helen's birthday. And we stayed in that room and did
What are you guys
nothing.
doing after? Chris's house for sure.
What time?
I think like I don't know any time.
Hi Helen.
Call me if you do.
This is from Cher. This is from Carrie. Thank you, Carrie. Bye, Helen. Bye. Woohoo! Look at those heels. I don't know if we can.